Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, surprise, local, and long-distance moving near me. Are you looking for a moving company in Surprise, Arizona? Whether you are moving to start a new job, build a better life for your family, or start a business, 3 Movers can help with your relocation. Founded over 20 years ago, we built a solid reputation as a professional and affordable moving company. Here's what we can do for you. Long distance moves are not only stressful, but they can get quite expensive too. So there's no wonder that so many people are looking for a creative DIY solutions to save some money. However, a DIY local move can cost you more, especially if you don't know how to handle certain items and end up damaging them. At 3 Men and Truck, we understand the cost of moving is one of the biggest concerns most people have. So we try to keep our services as affordable as possible without compromising on the quality. Transparent rates. We will explain clearly how we price our services and the factors that could influence the cost. No hidden fees. Our rates are clear and transparent, and you always know what you are paying for. Top-notch moving services. Our rates may be affordable, but they don't affect the quality of our services. Our movers and drivers are professionally trained and able to handle any move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Surprise Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.